Write a program to check a given integer where VAR is a strong number or not. A strong number is a number in which the sum of factorial of the digit is equal to the number itself. Input format, a single line containing a positive integer where this is input. Constraints 1 less than or equal to where it should be range from 1 to 1000. So I can give the value, input values 1 to 1000. Positive numbers. Print strong number if the number is strong number. Otherwise, this is output format. So input, output, constraints. Sample input 232. Sample output 232 is a strong number. Sample input 2, sample output 2 is a strong number. Okay, now I'll put a, this is 232. Now sample input 145, sample output 145 is a strong number. Explanation. Case 1. You take where 232. 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 10. Sample case 1. Where equal to 2. 2 factorial is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So there is a strong number. Now we take 145. 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is equal to 1 plus 4 star 3 star 2, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 star 3, 4 star 3 star 2 is equal to 1 plus 24 plus 120 is equal to 145. So input number and my sum number both are same. It is a, so how to write a program? We'll see this now. How to write a program. Over there, same way, you can mention info Java tilde scanner plus of the input. Now public static void main. Okay, first we have put a public class. Public class name, strong number. Now public static void main or now we need to write a logic. First, we will write a scanner class. Scanner. C equal to no scanner. Enter. Enter the value. Enter the value. Okay. Print, I put a system document. Now I have to C this. I put my variable. My input name is C dot next. So I need to declare variable int where. Right? Input variable int where I have declared now. Now I need to write a logic for this. Where not equal to first we have to check where not equal to 0. Then we have to find the factorial. Okay, factorial means ft equal to I have to find the factorial for each value. Suppose 144 is there, 145. Then I have to find the factorial for 1. Correct? So what is the logic? Then I have to find the remainder. Okay. So what is the remainder? Remainder equal to where percentage yes. Percentage 10. Now I got the remainder. Remainder value I need to the factorials. Where, sorry, not where, why? Why? While, what is the while which is less than I? I less than or equal to my remainder. Then what is the initial value of I? I mentioned I equal to 1. Because of factorial, you are going to find out. Now, ft is equal to t star I. Then I I plus plus. So, what is the variable we need to declare? I, we need to declare I. What is the ft? And the remainder. Okay. Now, while I less than or equal to RG, finding ft star I plus plus. Now, I have to add equal to add plus ft. I have to add the, what is add? Add is also again integer. Okay. Now, what is the initial value of add? Is 0. I dimension the add 0. So 0 plus factorial value. So I need to add this. This is we have to maintain. Then same way we need to divide. Where? Where? Equal to where divided by where. So you have to take the copy. Same like sum of digits. Okay. Sum of digit logics. Then I can apply this. Now what are the variables we have to declare? Where equal to divided by 10. Okay. This is the division. This is the quotient, remainder. Modulus functions. Okay. Now this logic is rotating, and we have to put. So first, when you're getting these values, then I will maintain another variable called var1 equal to 1 because we are modifying this var value. So I'm keeping track of this value. So I can call another var1 declaration. Now, if we go there, if var add double equal to var1, then some down out on filter none. So some dot out of filter none where one plus where is changing. Is here or else. So one for main, another for class. One bracket for main, another class for is not here, is not here. Wrong. Right? Understood now logics? Hope understood logic is okay. Now I'll say this program as strong number. Dot Java in my training data. So go to the my folder, Avasi, strong number. So Java -cp dot strong number. Let's enter the value. First I'll enter the what is the input given in our documents. First I given 232. I'll try this 232. It's not a strong number. So I will execute again. I'll put value equal to 2. Yes, 2 is a strong number. Now I'll put execute again. I'll put 145. Yes, 145 also strong number. So hope you understood. This is the program, nothing but same sum of digits. First we have to put the remainder, then we have to take the quotients and what is called division part, then rotate the numbers, we'll get this one. Okay, so if you want to understand what is the real part, you want to debug, what is the first value is taking, you want to debug, then you can debug like this. You can understand that. What is the reminder RE colon equal to plus RE. So it is printing every time. So what is the Here it is printing the var values. So every time we'll print before var and remainder var. Here. What is the initial var? Yeah, right. So I'll maintain here some steps. Step equal to 1. So I'll put int. Okay. Now here I so debug. Put step equal to right printing 1. Then I will implement again. Equal to plus equal to step the number of steps. We understand the steps. So we are not using the where here. So we will say the program, compile, and execute. I'll go to 145. This is step 1. Where is 145? It is taking 5 first. Step 2, then 14. Where value is 14? The remainder is 4. Then it's finding the values. Then where 1 and 144 is the small numbers. This is each steps remainder. I'm taking 5 factorial, then 4 factorial, then 1 factorial. This is where we are doing. Fine. Hope you understand this program. Any doubts? Please put in your comments in your comment box. I'll help you.